Right, so yes, I've sorted through the dog. Yeah, she's had a spring refresh. She's been shaved. I've gone through every cupboard, and you can look in all my private spaces. Yeah, everything has been gone through. Things have been dumped. I'm actually selling those. But yeah, everything's tidied, gone through, all the naughty collections, even this. This is my retirement fund right there. Those are a few things that, a few Mexican things, but yeah. That's the most collecty area, and I've gone through that. Yeah, everything else is pretty damn cleared. If you keep the essentials, then everything you have is good and nice, and then you'll be happy. Yeah. So we did a big clear out. My daughter and I, it took 3 days. Not 3 full days, we did it over a period of 3 days. Yeah. How do I get in there? Oh, I can. Just slide the dog dish. The linens. Yeah. The junk drawer. Looks a mess, but I know where everything is, and I need these things. That's me tools for the kitchen, cards, whatnot. Yeah. This is where we keep the family chocolate, right there. Thinned out and organized. You don't need to see it all, but oh, onions, wow. You can see that's done. A little bit of a pantry going on, and just a little glimpse of the thinning. And a few things went by the wayside. And where do we take those things? To our neighborhood thrift store. Yeah, they get a lot of stuff from us. Because I bring crap home as well. Yeah. All the intimate spaces. All the medicines. Cosmetics, hair products, nail products, hair tools, cleaning products, toilet paper. What? Can't even. That's all my makeup. That's not bad. And that is sorted. Yeah. Just 2 rooms to go and a couple of closets. Fabrics, draperies, a couple of outer bits of outerwear, thin down the artwork. Here's some artwork that needs to go to the right home. Talk to me. Let's do master bedroom. That's my entire hanging wardrobe. Pretty pared down. Shoes. Panty drawer, no, you cannot see in there. Socks, PJs, whatever. You don't need to know, but just want you to know I went through everything. And we put bags and bags to the old thrift store. Now, this we did yesterday. This was tricky. Winter bedding for both beds. White towels, all the gray ones had to go. Cabana towels for the hot tub. Beach towels. Throws all wrapped. Pillows, wool blankets, king sheets, queen and visitors, twin, couple extra pillows. Not so bad. What else was I going to show you? That's a long pause. Oh, well, I did a spring refresh in here. I put this old chenille on here, and I put the summer weight linen duvet cover on this beautiful soft lightweight duvet. New pillows. Wash that pillow. I steam cleaned this old down pillow. I actually put it in the washer and the dryer, and I gave it a good steaming. I put vinegar on it too. I mean, I sweat at night. Let's be honest. This is about being honest here. I sweat. The pillow gets a bit dingy looking. Yeah. So that's what I did. Spot remover, stain remover, and vinegar on that pillow, and washed it and dried it and hung it around the house, put it outside for a bit, and it's fine. So this room's all like fresh. This is a room I sleep in when John's snoring, which is very frequent. So yeah. Something that makes you feel better is when you pare down and keep what you need and what you love. So, although that looks a right mess, I'm very happy about it. All right, so subscribe to my channel, give us an old like, and we'll see you on the next one. Sayonara for now.